Hi everyone, in today's video I have a super special guest. This is my 6-year-old niece, Mackenzie. Why are you making that face? She's gonna be doing my makeup today, and she went through all of my makeup and picked out a bunch of cool products, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't really have anything else to say. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so do you remember what I said was first?
Yes, this and goes on your face.
What's that called?
Primer.
She picked the Dr. Brand Pores No More Luminizer Primer.
I'm scared.
Why?
I've never done this before. I don't want to use too much. I didn't need a little bit more. She forgot to say that we have matching hairdos.
So she showed up and we have matching hairstyles. It totally wasn't planned, but...
No.
Alright, you done priming?
Just on your nose a bit. There you go.
So tell everybody why you picked that one.
Because it's a triangle.
She likes the Hourglass foundation because it's a triangle.
Yes. And it looks like lipstick. Oh, yellow. And now you have to blend it in.
Yep, you gotta blend it in.
I've never done this before.
You're gonna try and maybe look pretty, right?
Yeah. But starting off, it's not looking pretty. When I get to the eyeshadow and lipstick, it's gonna look prettier. Your face looks totally different. I think I need one more spot.
Are you blending it all in?
There you go.
You're done blending?
Yes.
It's all blended in?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah?
You sure you didn't miss a spot right here?
No.
Don't see that?
Yes. I'm still a little bit on your arm right there. There you go.
You picked concealer, right?
Yes.
Which one did you pick? Tell them why you picked that one.
Because look at the beautiful top.
She likes the top of the Tarte Shape Tape. Why did I just fill that in my hair?
I'm horrible at makeup.
Did you just cover my mole?
What?
We gotta get a sponge.
I'm just getting my water. I am still horrible at makeup.
You don't think it looks good?
I think it looks great right now. There's some on your lip. Your face looks totally different.
It's a little light, huh?
Yeah, too light. Real too light.
So now she's going to put some powder on my face with a little tiny brush.
I don't know why I picked this one, but it's pink. Close your eyes for this.
Do you do your makeup sometimes?
A lot.
What's your favorite kind of makeup look to do?
The zebra look on my mom.
A zebra look?
Yeah, all you have to do is just buy it in this black skinny bottle, and like you just can pick like stripes all over the face. And this thing called BB cream. It's from
BB cream, yeah?
Yeah, it's like you put it all over your face, and then you put the brown stripes on. If you want to do this and you're like my age, like a 6-year-old, then just go buy makeup from the dollar store. It's like $1. Close your eyes.
Do you think I have enough powder on yet?
Well, nope. I haven't done it on the other side yet.
So she picked the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Why'd you pick that one?
Because I really like it because it's beachy.
It's beachy, yeah.
Yeah, and like on the sides are rainbowy. Sorry.
Next, we have a blush.
I like this heart blush because it is beautiful.
What's it called? You gotta read the back.
Too Faced Love blush.
Yep, it's the Too Faced Love Flush Blush.
Oh.
Where does blush go?
Cheeks.
Yep. Do you watch my makeup videos?
No, I just know where it goes.
You think you got enough blush?
Yes. Check it. There you go. Ooh, a little bit more. Inside.
Does one side have way more?
Yes.
I'm scared.
Yeah, a little more.
So, what comes next?
Mermaid.
She picked the Wet n Wild, what's it called? Mega Glow Highlighting Bar. She picked this one because it has a mermaid on it, so.
Yes. On your side.
Do you want to do my eyebrows before or after you do my eyeshadow?
Eyebrows.
So she picked the, I don't even know what this is.
It's like the Egyptian one.
It's the Winky Luxe Eyebrow Pencil.
Eyebrows look very long. Very long. What? There we go. They got long. They are. They're long, right? I picked a lot of palettes.
So next up she's going to do my eyeshadow and she picked a ton of pink eyeshadow palette. Why did you pick this palette?
Because my mom has it. I'm going to use Smarty Pants. Okay.
What brush do you want?
I'm going to use this one.
You don't think that's a little big?
Yeah.
Alright, what are you gonna do now?
The kitty palette. It's kind of kinky one. Kind of blends in with the other color. Now I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use Mystical. Whoa, that one's shiny. It's just flicking everywhere. There we go. I'm going to do this.
What's it called?
It's called Totally Fetch. Maybe some cotton candy flavored. There we go.
Alright, so she picked out the, what kind of eyeliner is that?
Ultra Beauty eyeliner. It's a glitter liquid eyeliner. It's glittery. That's why I picked it.
And where are you gonna put it?
On your eyeliner.
Do you want to put the black eyeliner on?
I'm just gonna do it under your eye now. Is it not outdoor? What are you guys?
How did one go up here and one go down here?
I don't know. Your skin just moved down. Oh, here.
She picked out 2 mascaras. Just don't get it in my eye, please.
I know how to do it.
I need to do eyelashes now.
Yeah. What is eyelashes again?
Let me get eyelash glue.
Please say hello. Whoa. Look at you.
Get back. Just push this part on. Just push the middle part on.
There you go.
All right, so now all we have is lips, I think. So she picked 3 lip products. First, she picked a lip liner. So what kind of lip liner is that?
Huh? This is Melinda Michelle.
No, Melissa Michelle.
Oh, that's my mom's name. This is for the move. I'm going to do
What's it called?
a lip paint.
The Tarte Tartist Lip Paint. Why did you pick red?
Because it kind of matches with pink. I do like this.
Alright, so now she's going to use the Jouer lip topper. And what shade is it?
Sweet tooth.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Do you like this?
Yeah. Smells good. There we go.
Good?
Yeah.
Wow.
Now I'm just gonna do a little bit more of this because I kept it up. Whoa! You messed it up.
Alright, so now the last thing is to set this beautiful makeup look in place. And what are you using? It's the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray.
What's yours?
So this is the completed look that Mackenzie did. It just looks fabulous, don't you think?
Yeah!
So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'm also doing a giveaway right now, so if you guys want to enter that, make sure to click the link in my description box below. And I'm also going to have my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook page there if you guys want to follow me on those accounts as well. So make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.